Hey everyone, David here from Payette4.com and Upphone.com, and in this video we'll be unboxing this YouTube play button we received for getting 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah, we're stoked.
Yeah, the next one is at 1 million subscribers, so it might be a while unless you share this video and tell your friends to subscribe. So let's open this thing up.
Yeah, we had one video go viral and we got 100,000 subscribers in a couple of months.
Yeah.
So all we need is a couple more of those.
Yeah, just need a few more viral videos, so
Easy.
easy.
All right, still opening the box.
Still opening the box. Yes, so we read your comments in the channel update video, and one of the top suggestions was actually the audio, where people are saying there's a little bit of feedback, a little bit of echo.
Yep.
So we did hang up some blankets on the sides of the room to kind of cut down on that reverb.
Yep.
So we hope this video sounds better.
Yep.
Yep. And here it is.
The YouTube. Let's do it. David, why don't you do the honors?
Okay, yeah, this is...
Whoa.
Wow.
Let's show them what it looks like.
Here we go. What does it say?
We got a letter from the CEO.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. So if you've subscribed, you're an astonishing person.
There you go, thank you.
We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone.
The award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. Rick from Society Awards. There it is. What are you gonna do with this? Where are you gonna hang this in the house?
Ooh, it's neat.
Yeah, you got it's like a little mirror. Little hangers in the back. There it is.
Nice.
Very nice. It's like the Super Bowl trophy of YouTube.
I'd hold it above my head, but it would get cut off in the screen. What else is in there?
We'll recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a purse so you can buy more. Maybe anyone could buy these. That'd be interesting.
I'd like to
purchase copies of your award. I see. It's neat to have one to get the copy.
Oh, that's neat.
There it is. Very nice.
How about that?
There it is. Yeah, that's the summer play button. We'll find a place to display this prominently.
Maybe here?
Yeah. Look at that. Hopefully that's on camera. I don't think it is. That's all right. Yes, we just want to thank you for subscribing to this channel and helping us earn this little
Award.
trophy award thing. Yeah.
It's awesome.
It's great.
It really is. Well, this was a riveting video.
Yeah.
We were talking about being more like PewDiePie. Being like, it's amazing, it's an award.
Yeah, to start yelling. And
then zoom in really tight. How did you do it?
Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
Sound effects.
Ba-ba-ba-ba.
Soundboard.
Was that like Beethoven's Fifth?
No.
Okay.
It's like a popular sound. Anyway, we got some cool stuff coming up. We have an interview lined up with a very special guest.
Right.
Who you may be familiar with, which will be interesting.
She's related to an Academy Award winner.
Yes.
It's her daughter.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for subscribing. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you have any other recommendations for us, please let us know. And once again, thanks for watching.